Okay, guys, here the game started. Only 3 minutes left. Both players are connected. Okay, suspector say kida hi guys. Yeah, bets 91990 say hi. Okay, six suspectors are coming. I think is one is tough game. Okay, Kida say maybe it is a tough game. Now both players are connected and Subramaniam sir play from chess lovers and Barack 48 play from chessers. Subramaniam sir rating is 1815 and Barack rating is 2002. Okay, I think nearly 200 elo point difference in both players rating, and maybe today's game is very interesting game or very tough game because Subramaniam sir is very tough player from chess lovers and Barack 48 is very tough player from chessers, and both players are connected. Okay, or six suspectors are also connected for seeing the game. Only 1 minute left in the game. Subramaniam sir, let's see about something. Subramaniam sir. Okay. Only less than 1 minute is left. Maybe I think at the sharp 7 p.m. IST the game is started. It is a 10 plus 0 rapid casual game, and it is chessers versus chess lovers 2.0. The first tournament is won by chess lovers, that is 3-2. And okay, someone say something. All the best both of you, princess, all the best. Okay, all the best guys, all the best both of you. Okay, let's see. Okay, yes, the game started. Barak play e4, Subramaniam sir play c5. Now he initiate the Sicilian defense. Barak play knight to c3, and it is Subramaniam sir turns. He play f4. Sorry, a6. Then Barak play f4. Then Subramaniam sir play e6, knight to f3, knight to c6. Okay, bishop to c4. Game is going fast. Both players are doing his development. Okay, maybe it is a mixed type of defense. White make a structure like Nimzo Indian and black Sicilian. Okay, black play b5 attacking that c4 square bishop, and white play bishop to e2 save his bishop. Someone say something. Okay, and 30, I don't know this guy, maybe he's a chessers fan, and he say all the best guys. Let's see what's happened. Okay, white done the castle, black play d6. Both players are playing very fast. Okay, queen to e1, placing queen into the e file, maybe trying to plan some attack. Okay, knight to f6, d3, maybe black is also preparing for castle. Let's see. Okay, black's done his castle. Both players are playing too fast. Let's see what's happened in this game. This game is too interesting. Both players are high rated players, and it is Barak 48 move. Let's see what's happened. At this point position is equal. Here Barak plays b3. Maybe he is planning to fianchetto the bishop at b3 square. It is Subramaniam sir's move. Okay, he fianchetto the bishop at b7. Okay, he plays. Okay, black also fianchetto the bishop at b2 square. Both players are preparing for attack, but there is no immediate threat for anyone. Let's see what's happened. It is Subramaniam sir's turn. White is playing fast. Okay, 11 moves are done. Let's see what's happened. It is Subramaniam sir's turn, and he take his time for thinking. Let's see what's happened. Okay, he play rook to c8. Maybe he is trying to planning any attack in c file, and it is a Barak 48 turn. Let's see, he is also take his time. Okay, he play queen to g3. Maybe he's planning to g7 pawn. Okay, someone say I don't see a checkmate. Okay, Madabel say I don't see a checkmate. There is no checkmate threat at this point. There is a no checkmate threat for anyone. Let's see what's happened. Okay, someone says something. It will come. Okay, BKAB. I don't know this guy. He say checkmating threat will come in sometimes. Let's see what's happened. It is Subramaniam sir's move, and you can see the time difference between both players. Barak 48 is more than 1 minute compared to Subramaniam sir. This was why don't play such positions. I don't keep the time advantage. Barak. Okay, here Barak have time advantage, so maybe he won the game, but without seeing the result. Okay, yes, Subramaniam sir play knight to d4. Maybe he is trying to attacking that e2 bishop, and then fork on king and queen. Let's see what's happened. It is Barak 48 turn, so if he done any kind of mistake, then it is a huge mistake for white. Okay, maybe here white is in a trouble, because if white captures the knight using his f3 pawn, then black also recapture the knight using his c5 pawn, attacking that c3 square knight, and when black remove his knight, white easily capture that c2 pawn using his rook. So it is an interesting line. Let's see what's happened. It is a dangerous move from black. Okay, now the black planning is very dangerous. Okay, white captures, black captures the knight. Now it is an attack on us. Okay, he moves his knight, and okay, this is the what I say exactly. This is happen. Okay, someone say something. Experience versus new talent. Okay, Subramaniam sir is an experienced player, and Barak 48 is a new talented player. Let's see what's happened now. Attack on e2 square bishop. Okay, now at this time you can see that the time difference is equating. Now Subramaniam sir is in an advantage of 1 pawn. Okay, Subramaniam sir in an advantage, so maybe it is a hope for chess lovers. It is Barak 48's turn, and okay, Barak 48 lose his time advantage. Now Subramaniam sir in an advantage. Someone says something. Go chesses. Okay, pawn gambler says go chesses. Now from here Barak 48 take his time. Okay, he move his bishop at f3 square, bishop to f3. Now it is Subramaniam sir's turn. Let's see what's happened. The game is in a critical position. Subramaniam sir is in a lead of 1 pawn. Here Subramaniam sir take his time, and maybe he's calculating some interesting moves. Just a pawn. Okay, BKAB says just a pawn. Kida JB could take his rook with couple of moves. Maybe I don't. Okay, here JB play pawn to e5. Maybe he's trying to open some lines. Okay, now he's attacked on black's b7 square bishop. Okay, bishop captures f3, knight captures g7. Okay, what? Okay, now here it is force for white to lose his queen. What a move by Subramaniam sir. Now there is a no hope for chessers. I think there is a no hope for chessers. Okay, both players are in a very attacking mode. Game is okay. Very bad move by black. Let's see what's happened. both players in a attacking mode. Why play fast? 6 minutes. Okay, BKB say why play too fast? 6 minutes are left. Subramanians are in a lead of one pawn, but you can see he has a queen, and black doesn't have a his queen, and also the king is misplaced. The castle is also destroyed of white, and from here white game is tough for white. Let's see what's happened in the game. Very interesting very interesting game is going on. Okay, here Subramaniam sir play rook to c8. Maybe he's trying to do some attack on a c2 square. Maybe he's planning for check at c2 square, and now it is a white move. Okay, now pawn structure matters. Yeah, pawn structure is matters. Okay, here black play bishop captures d4. Now game is equal, no one have any kind of advantage. Up material. Okay, no one is in a material up. Okay, Barak 48 is disconnected. I don't know what happened with that guy. Maybe he has a any kind of internet issue. But it is Subramaniam sir's turn. Okay, he play queen to h4. Maybe he's planning for checkmate. In next move, maybe he move his rook at c2 square. Okay, it is Barak 48 move, and he is online back online. Let's see what's happened in the game. Both players are playing very well, and the half time is over, and no one is in a advantage. Let's see what's happened. It is Barak 48's turn, and he takes his time. Okay, waiting for Barak 41's move, 48 move, and now maybe he is trying to defend his king. Material equal, but structure so bad for white. Yeah, material is equal, but structure is so bad for white. As you can see that only that A and B file pawn are connected, except A file and B file pawn, or the pawn, all the pawns are disconnected. So it is the headache for white, and compared to white, you can see that black all pawn are connected. A file, B file, then D, E, F, G, H, all the pawns are connected. So maybe if the game goes in an end game, so structure is matter, and thus the good structure is Subramaniam sir's pawn structure, and using this pawn he can easily win the game. Okay, he is taking too much time. Rook, bishop, knight greater than queen. Okay, let's see. Okay, here play king to h1. Now it is Subramaniam sir's turn. I think c2 is good, because c2 is an immediate checkmating threat. But let's see what's happened in the game. Both players have 4 minutes left. Subramaniam sir also take his time. Okay, black has the initiative. Yeah, black has the initiative, and black is able to win the game. Let's see what's happened, and it is also 2 pawns. No one have any extra pawns. Black. Okay, here black play e5. Maybe he is planning to open that e file also, and it is white's move. Let's see what he makes. Okay, someone says something. Oh right, I don't know. It is Barak's turn. Okay, he play bishop to e3. Now maybe black done the pawn exchange. I think black is able to do the pawn exchange and the pawn exchange. If white done any kind of silly mistake, then he easily lose the game. Okay, here he done the queen exchange. Sorry, he done the pawn exchange in f4 square. And this white should develop fast. Yeah, white's pieces are very cramped position. Let's see what's happened. Now it is Subramaniam sir's turn. What someone say? Knight d1 Greg get total. I don't understand this language. Maybe he is not English. Now it is Subramaniam sir's turn and he has approximate 2.5 minutes. Okay, Omnazon 6 say good luck. Come on, Subramaniam sir. Try to do something. Maybe queen to h3 is better because using the queen to h3 he tried to attack on white's f1 square rook. Okay, he done queen to h3 attacking that f1 square rook. My prediction is correct. Now not only he attacked that f1 square, he also attacked that okay, it is a check. Queen to f3 check. Okay, and it is a very bad move for white because white is not able to save his bishop from here. Now I think white is helpless. Okay, queen captures f4. Now Subramaniam sir is in an advantage of a 3 point. Strong move again. Yeah, Subramaniam sir make a strong move. Again check and he is able to capture that d3 pawn. Let's see what's happened in the game. Now Subramaniam sir is on a fire. In my opinion, Subramanian sir is able to win the game. He's in an advantage. Lose, yeah, lose. It is a lose for white. Okay. Now Subramaniam sir is able to play the c2 rook to c2 because it is very dangerous move. Let's see what's happened. Okay, he play pawn to h5. Maybe he is trying to avoid something back rank type checkmates. Let's see what's happened. Okay, here white play rook f to e1 attacking that queen. Okay, queen to g5 check. Now black easily push his h files pawn and trying to attack. Okay, he play rook to c1. Okay, it is after too much time he makes a rook to c2 move, and now it is a white's move. Both players have only 1.5 minutes. Let's see what's happened in the game. Okay, I think Subramaniam sir is in advantage, so he easily able to win that game. But it is wise move, and let's see what he make a move. Okay, he play rook to g1. Oh, what a move! Queen to d5 check. The only defender of this check is rook to g2, and after rook to g2 the knight is gone. Time can become an issue, but white easily win the game. Okay, now black makes his battery. Okay, Subramaniam sir is in an advantage of 7 point, and white have only 45 seconds. Okay, here white resigns the game. So guys, chessers versus chess lover 2.0, the first match winner is Subramaniam sir. The scoreboard is 1-0. Chess lovers win the game. Chess lovers win the first game, and someone says something. Oh, good game. Yeah, good game. Here chessers lose that game. So guys, if you want to play a live chess with chess lovers, then join our Telegram channel at the rate 97 at the rate chess lovers 9702. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching the video.